Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another card share. Surprise, surprise. So I had these panels already cut. Like sometimes when I'm not inspired, like I don't know what to do, I just get out some stencils and just start stenciling, or get out some embossing folders and just start embossing panels. So I always have some of these things in my drawer, or like even when I go to crops and I talk too much and I don't know what I'm gonna bring to work on, like at the bare minimums I have embossing folders and stencils, so I just do a whole bunch of them. So of course you have to have your inks and your blending brushes or whatever you're using, but yeah, so it's nice to have those. And then every once in a while I make a whole bunch of cards with them because I need to clear them out for, you know, new products. I got new embossing folders and new stencils, so but yeah, I'm just here to share. Hopefully this gives you guys inspiration. Hopefully you guys are having a crafty day. But here we go. I want to say this is from the ton, this leaf stencil. It's a layering stencil. And then this sentiment is from Stamps of Life, as well as this sentiment. Then I just layered it and added some jemmies. And if you know, all of mine are blank. I just stamped my card, my stamp in the back. These are made with this stencil cloud. I believe I received this last year in a Crop and Create event. We got this free, I believe. So yeah, I just used the same color family, and you know, you just rotate. If you want to see how I do it, let me know, I can do a video. But you just rotate and put it down with the next color and just layer down. They're fun, they're beautiful. The one in yellow, sending you sunshine and rainbows. This butterfly, I'm not sure where I got it from. And then I had these sentiments from somewhere, I'm not sure, but they've been in my stash for a long time, and I thought they was just a good idea to use them up and make room for new stuff. And they're sentiments that could be used, so I like the pink, how the pink came out. And then I still had a few more of those Alta New embossed wreath ones that I use as lei. And then the last one. Yeah. So I hope you guys found this inspirational. If you guys want to see how I make the clouds with this stencil, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video. Yeah. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.